Hello, and welcome to Kozy English, your cozy space to learn English naturally. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Lily. Today, we're talking about something many people love, coffee. Do you drink coffee, Ethan?
Oh, yes, I do. Every morning, I need my cup of coffee to wake up. What about you, Lily?
I like the smell of coffee, but I don't drink it every day. Sometimes I prefer tea. It's softer and calming.
That makes sense. Around the world, billions of cups of coffee are enjoyed every single day. Some people drink it for energy, others just for the taste.
Yes, but do you know where coffee actually comes from? Today, we'll find out. And we'll also learn some new English phrases along the way.
Okay, Lily, here's today's question for our listeners. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Is it A, Colombia, B, Brazil, or C, Ethiopia?
I think it's Brazil, but let's see if I'm right later.
Coffee has a long history. It was first discovered in Ethiopia hundreds of years ago. Then it spread around the world.
And today, coffee is not just a drink. It's a culture. People meet for coffee, work in coffee shops, or even study with a cup next to them.
Exactly. And that's where we get our first phrase. Grab a coffee. It means to meet someone casually, like, let's grab a coffee after work.
Nice. Another useful phrase is coffee break, a short rest during work when you drink coffee or relax.
Let's go over what we learned today. Grab a coffee. Meet someone casually. Coffee break, a short rest during work. And culture, a way of life shared by people.
And of course, coffee is more than a drink. It's part of our daily routine.
So, Lily, do you remember the question? Which country produces the most coffee in the world?
Yes, I said Brazil.
And you're right. Brazil is the world's biggest coffee producer.
Yay, that's good to know.
That's all for today's episode of Kozy English. Remember, you can listen again, repeat the phrases, and practice speaking with us.
We'll be back soon with another cozy and fun topic. Until then, stay relaxed and keep learning English the cozy way.
Bye for now.